Hello and welcome to Trace Software. Today we present ELEC Calc Solar, a complete and ideal solution for the design and sizing of your photovoltaic installations, including EV charging stations. With ELEC Calc Solar, it is possible to model a direct current photovoltaic string by integrating the main components such as photovoltaic generators, inverters, and their MPPTs. The data entry interface has been designed to remain ergonomic and visual, making it easier to draw photovoltaic strings and manage their electrical characteristics, as well as the schematic representation of the entire installation. After adding your manufacturer references from our dedicated catalog, which is shared with our photovoltaic simulation application, Archelios Pro, it takes just a few clicks to duplicate your trackers and their modules. Today, this database brings together 373 manufacturers and more than 12,000 references dedicated to solar installations. A major asset for quickly designing reliable, compliant installations perfectly suited to your needs. This enables the DC sizing in compliance with the requirements of the IEC 60364-7712 standard. Standards, voltages, short-circuit currents, power flows. The solar module checks every detail of your installation to ensure its reliability and compliance. Once your photovoltaic installation has been drawn and sized, extend it to your alternating current installation in order to connect it to a low-voltage supply or a MVLV substation to ensure compliance with IEC 60364 for your self-consumption switchboards and your EV charging infrastructures. Also, take advantage of automatic design and referencing tools to save valuable time when sizing your installations. Finally, generate the complete technical file, including the calculation note that makes it possible to trace all the installation verification criteria. At the same time, you can produce the schematic diagrams as well as extract the bill of materials. Alongside, we have added the ability to automatically import and size a project from Archelios Pro, our photovoltaic design and simulation software, in just a few clicks. The complete architecture of the installation is retrieved automatically. Panel and inverter references, cable lengths, and the general structure of the project. All you have to do is finalize the sizing and the configuration of the protections directly in ELEC Calc. This functionality represents the crossing of a new milestone by offering one of the most accomplished photovoltaic software suites on the market, from design to standards-compliant electrical sizing, in perfect continuity. ELEC Calc Solar is now available to support you in your photovoltaic studies, combining ergonomics and efficiency to offer a complete and optimized approach for each project. Thank you for your attention and see you very soon at Trace Software.